Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use Assistive Touch on watchOS 8. Let's have a look. First, I would like to show you how to enable Assistive Touch on watchOS 8. Press digital crown button to access app screen. Scroll and tap settings gear button. In the settings, scroll down little bit and tap accessibility. Again, scroll down and find out Assistive Touch. Tap Assistive Touch. Just toggle on Assistive Touch. Turn on Assistive Touch. Assistive Touch allows you to navigate Apple Watch using one-handed gestures. Try it out. Tap Try it out. That's it. Assistive Touch enabled. Hand gestures. Pinch, double pinch, clench, double clench. First one, pinch. Pinching with your fingers. Then the second one, double pinch. Third one, clench. And fourth one, double clench. Let's try pinch. Tap, pinch, pinch. Try tapping your index finger and thumb. Pinch recognized. Tap index finger to thumb one more time to return to hand gestures. Now let's try double pinch. Tap, double pinch, double pinch. Try tapping your index finger and thumb twice quickly. Double pinch recognized. Tap index finger to thumb twice quickly one more time to return to hand gestures. Let's try clench. Tap, clench, clench. Try closing your whole hand to form a fist. Clench recognized. Close your hand into fist one more time to return to hand gestures. Let's try double clench. Tap, double clench. Double clench. Try closing your whole hand to form a fist twice quickly. That's it. Double clench recognized. To activate Assistive Touch, double clench your hand. Then pinch your fingers to navigate through the options. You can select an option by clenching once. By double clench, you can activate action menu. Pinching fingers will navigate forwards. Double pinching to move backward. Clenching your hand once confirms your selection. If anyone calls you, you can receive that call by double clench. So these are the steps to use Assistive Touch on watchOS 8. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.